Hi, I'm Jeff and I'm running an event agency. Organizing events requires a lot of planning and collaborating. To overcome the chaos and organize our work, we use Firmbee. Firmbee helps us smoothly move our events from the stage of planning through implementation, evaluation, and settling accounts. We can effortlessly handle every aspect of event planning. And what's best, we can say goodbye to notepads, spreadsheets, and numerous communication channels. Thanks to Firmbee, we can manage everything from one place. For an event manager, a calendar is the most important thing. With Firmbee keeping up with our deadlines, it is no longer an issue. We can create calendars for different purposes and share them across the team. We can also switch between different views, filter calendars by their type, and filter issues in our calendar by their status. Thanks to Kanban boards, I can easily collaborate with my team. We can set custom project stages, distribute tasks, exchange files, and comments. Thanks to the excellent organization, we gain more time to be creative and have fun. With Firmbee, we're able to manage and easily access a database of contacts of all event participants, leaders, assistants, staff, clients, attendees, and more. It's easy to find detailed information about a person or company. What's more, we can get fast access to notes, agendas, files, documents, and clauses related to the event. After an event, we can estimate our income and expenses and later easily settle accounts with coworkers and clients. Managing our events has never been easier. Register and see for yourself. Go to firmbee.com and use it for free.